Understanding empathy is the key to connection. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about stepping into someone else's shoes and seeing the world through their eyes. Empathy is the foundation of strong relationships. It allows us to connect with others on a deeper level. When we can understand and share each other's feelings, we build trust and create meaningful bonds. Empathy is not just about feeling sorry for someone. It's about truly understanding their experience, even if we haven't gone through it ourselves. This requires us to listen attentively, be present in the moment, and set aside our own biases. When we cultivate empathy, we create a space for genuine connection and support. The erosion of empathy is why we disconnect. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of empathy. We're constantly bombarded with information and distractions, leaving little time or energy for genuine connection. Our culture often prioritizes individual achievement over collective well-being, which can lead to a sense of isolation and disconnection. Stress, trauma, and difficult life experiences can also erode our capacity for empathy. When we're struggling, it's natural to focus inward and protect ourselves. However, this self-preservation can sometimes come at the expense of our ability to connect with others. Reclaiming empathy involves practical steps to rebuild. The good news is that empathy is a skill we can cultivate. It starts with making a conscious effort to be more present and engaged in our interactions. Active listening is crucial. This means paying attention to what someone is saying, both verbally and non-verbally, without interrupting or judging. We can also practice empathy by seeking out diverse perspectives and engaging with people from different backgrounds. This helps us challenge our own biases and develop a more nuanced understanding of the world. Small acts of kindness, like offering a listening ear or a helping hand, can also strengthen our empathy muscles. The power of self-compassion, nurturing our own empathy. It's important to remember that we can't pour from an empty cup. To cultivate empathy for others, we must first cultivate it for ourselves. Self-compassion involves treating ourselves with the same kindness, understanding, and acceptance that we would offer a good friend. When we're compassionate towards ourselves, we're better equipped to extend that same compassion to others. We recognize that everyone makes mistakes, experiences setbacks, and deserves grace. Self-compassion allows us to show up for others with greater empathy and understanding. Empathy in action, rebuilding bridges and deepening connections. Empathy is not just a feel-good emotion, it's a powerful force for positive change. When we approach our relationships with empathy, we create a space for healing, growth, and deeper connection. We're more likely to forgive, offer support, and build bridges of understanding. Start by practicing empathy in your everyday interactions. Listen attentively to your loved ones. Offer support to colleagues, and be kind to strangers. You'll be amazed by the positive impact it has on your relationships and the world around you. Empathy is a gift we can all give and receive. Let's choose to lead with empathy and create a more compassionate world for ourselves and future generations. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share it with a friend. And be sure to subscribe to The Moving Window for more uplifting content.